Now today I will give you this matrix 2. I will tell you that actually what is the exactly definition of determinant. This is very important for the B.Tech and competition exam. Okay, how to find determinant. So you have this matrix. So this is the first row, first column, first row, second column. These are the elements. This is a way, okay, to write the matrix. So at first you must know the definition. Cofactor of Aij. Cofactor of Aij is equal to Aij, that is the capital Aij, that is the minor. Okay, minus 1 की power I plus j and Mij. What is the meaning of Ij? Ij means row and column. Okay, so this is the definition of matrix. Del is equal to A11, that is the cofactor. This element into A11. A11 means this. This is the minor. I will just explain you. Aij means minus 1 की power I plus j Mij. So A11, A11, A12, A12 up to so on An1. So what is the meaning of this? How to find this one? Okay, how to find the minor? So the minor of the elements A21, the minor of the elements A21 is equal to, it means that hide second row and first column. Now you have to hide second row. You have to hide second row and first column. What are you looking? A12, A12, A13, A13, A32, A32, A33, A33. So this determinant is called the minor of A21. Okay. Similarly, suppose you want to find the minor of A32. So 3 and 2. Now what are you looking? A11, A11, A13, A13, A21, A21, A23, A23. So this determinant is called the M32. This is the minor of the element, minor of 32. Okay, so this is the definition of determinant of the matrix. Okay, at first you must know what is the determinant of the matrix. Then after you can use the simple method. Okay, so how to find the determinant? So determinant is equal to minus 1 की power 1 plus 1 into first element into A11. What is A11? I have explained you, minor, plus minus 1 की power 1 plus 2 into this element 2 into this is 1 2 plus minus 1 की power 1 plus 3 into this into A13. You can find the determinant with respect to either this, either this. Okay, so after then it will be changed. How to find this? How to find this? Now A11 means hide first, hide second, hide first row and hide first column. Then after that, what are you looking? 2 2 1 3. Okay, 2 2 1 3. This. Okay. Then after then A12 means hide first row and hide second column. So 3 2 2 3. You are getting 3 2 2 3. Okay. Then after then A13 means hide first and hide third column. Then after that, what are you getting? 3 2 2 1. 3 2 2 1. Okay. So this is the way to find A11, A12, A13. Here I have find a determinant with respect to this A11, A12, A13. Similarly, you can find with respect to this. Similarly, you can also find with respect to this. Also with respect to this. Then after then it will change. Okay. So now write this value here, and this is 2, 3 2 is 6 minus 2. This is 3 3 is 9 minus 4. 3 3 is 9, 2 2 is 4. 3 1 is 3, 2 2 is 4. Then after then this is equal to minus 1. This is equal to 5. This is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Now put the value here. Then after then you will get this del is equal to minus 1 की power 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay. Minus 1 की power 2 is equal to 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So A11 is equal to 4. So total value is equal to 4. Okay. So now after then minus 1 की power 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Minus 1 की power 3 is equal to minus. Then after the minus 1 into 2 is equal to 2 into a12 is equal to 5. Then after then minus 1 की power 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Minus 1 की power 4 is equal to plus and 1 into 1 is equal to 1 and a13 is equal to minus 1 into minus 1. So what is the value? 4, 5 2 is 10 and the plus minus is equal to minus 1 and this is equal to 4 minus 11 and you know that 4 minus 11 is equal to minus 7. Okay, this is the determinant of the matrix. So this is the determinant is equal to minus 7. Now note, if A determinant is not equal to 0, it implies that A inverse exists. Okay, number first. If A determinant is equal to 0, it implies that inverse does not exist. Inverse does not exist. Okay, the simple application, such type of application, it is necessary to know you because they ask such type of question in the exam. Okay, so this is the way to find 3 into 3 matrix, the determinant of the 3 into 3 matrix. Similarly, you can find if they have given to 4 into 4 matrix. So method is same in the exam, in the university exam or in competition. They will give you 4 into 4 matrix. So you have to use the same formula. Either they will change the value or they will increase the number of row and column. But the method is same. So if you just write by this method, then you will get 10 by 10 marks. Okay. So my request to you, please practice a lot. Then you will get the result. And also I will give you some trick how to find, how to check that you are correct or not. Okay. Thank you so much.